Welcome to Yoga Bliss with Shelly, and I'm Shelly. In this class for beginners, root to rise lovely, you can grab a folded blanket or a pillow and get it under those sit bones and begin meeting me with the right leg bent and the left leg lengthened long. And props are always a friend. You might notice if you've been following me in these 11 practices for beginners that I love props. So support that left knee. If it's feeling a little tight in the hamstring, hug that right knee in, root that right foot into the earth, and exhale, twist to the right side. And you can use a little support if you would like to. Inhale as you breathe in. Exhale, twist it out. Inhale, allow yourself to begin where you are without judgment. Breathe it in. Exhale back to center, find length in the spine, and now just opposite side. You know how it goes. So right leg lengthens long, sole of the feet. Imagine there's an invisible wall coming. Left heel draws towards the sit bones. Exhale, hug the left leg and twist. You can use a pillow or something to support you as you twist, wringing out the spine. Get rooted in that front left foot, rooting the sit bones to the earth. As you root, you rise the energy up to the top of the head, coming back to the center. Lovely lights. And you can use those blockies here and hold them in the back or just hands at the side and seated windshield wipe. And right, this can be a little awkward or feel uncomfortable. Be where you are. Yoga teaches us so much about embracing what we practice on the mat and taking it off the mat in this beginner's class, teaching us how to root and rise our energy side to side. And now tucking the left heel in towards the left sit bone, right leg lengthens at an angle. That block can be helpful. If you need a little extra support, bring it up. You can point the toes here and inhale. The hips face that long leg. You can rise the arms up, exhale, and bend towards the knee. You can allow the forehead to come towards the knee. Be wherever you are. If that's not in your practice, you can hug and cradle, getting the side lovely stretch here. Exhale it out. Be where you are. Know that yoga is a practice. It's not a perfect. As you breathe into the back of your heart, get rooted in your sit bones and your foot on the earth and rise that energy up, up, up. Inhale back to center. In yoga, we say center. It's a neutral position. And then exhale, twist towards the bent knee, wringing out our spine, helping clarify and detoxify the organs. You can exhale, unring, and then deepen on the inhale. Or if I ever say inhale when you're exhaling, I really encourage you to let that go and breathe where you are. So now opposite side, right heel tucks into right sit bone, left leg lengthens long. Use that modification if you need to in that leg on the earth or not. Bring the hands to the hips and shoulders facing that long leg. Exhale, full towards the lengthened leg. Allow the back of your heart to open as you breathe in gratitude. Exhale, gratitude. Be where you are in your hips. Root your energy from your sit bones and legs. Inhale back to center, that neutral position, and exhale, twist to the bent knee. And if it feels good, you can kind of wring out your spine and just do a little motion here as you breathe it in. Exhale, let it go. Lovely. Removing any props that you had. Lovely light. Water is always your friend, so I encourage you to take a big drink of water, a little sippy sip if that feels good for you. And now moving out any props under our bottoms and coming to a side. So if you're mirroring me, we're going to be on the left side. Left arm is a kickstand, bending and bringing that right foot on the earth, rooting down to the mat. Inhale, hugging through your core, finding length through that bottom leg, rerouting your energy in a different way. Inhale, hugging through the heart light. And if you need a little support with a block, it can be amazing to hug through the inner thighs, lift up, and rest on that block, or you can try a pillow here for a nice modification here. In this side stretch, right arm reaches long and strong, Shoulders stack over shoulders as you breathe a big breath in. Root your body. Root your side body. Exhale. Smile because you deserve it and you're showing up as you begin something new, or you're just getting back to the basics here. Inhale, hug through that inner thigh. Now come back to center. Woo-hoo-hoo, shake it out. And now you know the drill. Opposite side. So now we're on the right body. Lengthen, right leg long. Right arm is your kickstand. Left leg crosses, comes to the front of the thigh, rooting those feet flat on the earth. Inhale here. And toning through the core. You can do that beautiful modification with a block or a pillow underneath. Hug through, zip it up through your tummy and through the perineum. Inhale. You can bend at the elbow or stack shoulders over shoulders, and left arm reaches long and strong. Inhaling, rooting your energy down on that right side body as you breathe it in. Exhale, hand comes down to the earth. You can move that block or prop out of the way and just find a little strength as you tone through the core. Woo-hoo-hoo. Feeling that burn, that aliveness, and coming to the sit bones and just meeting me side to side as you root through your sit bones. Rooting can be done in so many different ways. Moving the shoulders. Exhale, walking forward. Inhale. And then walking hands back behind, side body, right arm reaches down, stretch, windmilling the arms, left hand to the earth, and inhale. Lovely work, beautiful lights. And finding a rooting posture as the legs lengthen long. You can use that block or bolster or pillow underneath the knees. Hands reach at the sides. This is called a staff pose, often an overlooked pose. Root your energy from your sit bones. Draw length up through each vertebrae in the spine to the top of the head. Find integrity. Squeeze your inner thighs. Activate the toes pointing up to the sky. Create Shakti, which is our feminine nature energy in your toes by opening them up. Exhale. And inhale, arms reach high to the sky. Now just modifying with a little bend, folding forward in a seated forward fold. You can use those modifications if you will, taking a moment to just be as you root in the seated position. In this space, we open up to love, and we open up to focus, and we open up to trust and safety. Awesome work. Back of the heart floats up, moving out any props that you've got, my lovely. Beautiful work. However you need to, getting to your back. And now these are called some rockabye babies, rockabye billies, just whatever feels good for you. Rocking back, and then inhale, bringing the hands forward. Exhale, hands and feet come over the head. Arms reach forward, get a little playful, and then rest on your back, hugging your knees into your chest, lengthening the legs long, and surrendering to what is as you relax head, shoulders, relax heart, streaming through legs and feet, relaxing your body, allowing a little stillness in our final pose of surrender, also known as Shavasana, breathing inner peace in. Exhale, arms lengthen long, feet like an arrow, and then hugging the knees and meeting me on the side. Underarm is a pillow, top arm is a hug. And repeat after me, I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. Meeting me in a seated position, Bringing those palms, kissing palms in a Namaste mudra. Thank you for practicing with me, my lovely. Honoring and acknowledging that love and light. Namaste. Beautiful practice. Continue to root and rise your energy today. I love you.